Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this Easter wreath with things I have at home. I did not have to buy anything to make this wreath today. I took a wire coat hanger and I pulled it into a circle, and I took 2 brass hoops that I had here left over from our wedding decorations. I had these flowers in a vase by our front door. I took them apart and I arranged them first, and then I hot glued them onto the wire hoops. I took transparent tape and taped the hoops to the outside coat hanger hoop so that they can all hang together from the distance that I chose. Once I had the flowers arranged how I wanted them and the hoops taped together the way I wanted them, it took about 20 minutes to do this craft. The outside of our house still has quite a bit more work to do. We have to side it and probably stain the deck, but having the wreath here for the spring season helps me feel like things are at least a little bit decorated and a little bit pretty, and that makes me feel good.